this.
What?
You know that bird we hate? The one that's always sitting in the barn just pooping on everything?
Yeah, I hate that thing.
Me too. And you know that other bird that we hate that's just always sitting on the front step just pooping all over everything?
Oh, I hate that thing.
Me too. But wait, you know that stone that we love that we keep in the kitchen all the time?
Oh, I love that thing.
So I was taking that awesome rock to the backyard. There I was, stone in hand, and both of the birds are just sitting there.
I'm tracking this.
And I'm just like, go.
I don't want